it's raining. So it's raining right now. I don't know if you guys can tell. Here's more proof. I don't know why you need proof though. Maybe where you're going, you're gonna get wet. You're gonna get wet. Do you need water? Guys, she's just acting super cute right now. Yes, 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 yes. She's just so cute, guys, right now. Yes, it's raining. Yes. Guys, you can actually. The reason why she sometimes comes here is because these have these pointy little things. As you can see over here, they scratch her because so we're not always here 24/7. You know, I'm at school, so let's go back to 26. Oh, she's loving me. I think she's loving me. I don't know why. Why don't catch? And she's wet like a lot, guys. She's really wet. Guys, so yeah. I know, guys. She's meowing so cute.
We're uploading some videos. Oh, dang, bro. Oh, whatever I clicked. Bro, what the heck?
Guys, it's raining outside. 1 like equals nothing.
Yo, I made this.
Come here, baby.
I made a meme video.
Lay down, baby.
You're gonna die laughing when you see this.
Really?
Well, you're not gonna laugh, but it's cringe. I don't know why would you care if it's cringe, so don't worry, gotta keep refreshing till the video is here.